Welcome back to CarMaster. Today we will talk about 2025. Fisker, the California-based electric vehicle startup, is gearing up to introduce its latest model, the 2024 Alaska pickup truck, drawing from the same platform as its popular Ocean SUV. The Alaska offers an all-L electric powertrain with a spacious truck bed and a range of up to 340 mi on a single charge. With a design reminiscent of vehicles like the Ford Maverick and Hyundai Santa Cruz, the Alaska aims to make a splash in the growing market for electric pickup trucks, expected to hit the market as early as December 2024. The Alaska represents the second installment in Fisker's ambitious lineup of 4 new vehicles alongside the Ocean SUV. Fisker plans to unveil the Pear, a budget-friendly SUV, and the Rōnin, a high-performance sports car, while specific details about the Alaska's powertrain have yet to be released. It's anticipated to offer both front and all-wheel drive options, with either single or dual motor setups drawing from the Ocean SUV's capabilities. The Alaska is projected to achieve impressive acceleration, potentially reaching 60 mph height in as little as 3.9 seconds. Inside, the Alaska boasts a 2-row cabin, similar to the Ocean's design, with added features for practicality and ruggedness. Notable additions include webbed netting on the roof for securing smaller items and a more durable fabric trim. Covering the dashboard, the standout feature of the Alaska is its drop-down midgate, facilitating easy access between the cabin and the truck bed for transporting longer cargo. Fisker plans to offer 2 different battery pack options for the Alaska, with ranges varying between 230 to 340 minutes per charge. The starting price for the 2025 Fisker Alaska is expected to be around $45,400, with higher trim levels and additional options potentially pushing the price up to $75,000. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more content. Thanks for watching.